Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the destination, a Google Sheet called ClickLog and an app script web app. Once done, write a do post, that parses JSON and appends timestamp, element, URL, and metadata to a new row. Deploy the script as a web app with execute as set to you and access to anyone with the link. Make sure to copy the deployment URL. This is the endpoint you'll send click data to. Keep it handy for the next step. Next, add a lightweight JavaScript tracker to your pages that listens for click events and creates a JSON payload. Timestamp, element selector or data attributes, page URL, and optional user meta. Once done, debounce the handler by 200 to 500 milliseconds to avoid duplicates and high volume. When a click qualifies, send it via fetch post to the app's script URL using content type application/JSON. Make sure to handle fetch errors gracefully and queue retries if the network fails. Finally, verify by opening an incognito window and clicking tracked elements. You should see rows populate in the Google Sheet with correct timestamps and values. If events don't appear, inspect the browser console for CORS or fetch errors, check apps' script execution logs and deployment permissions, and confirm you haven't hit quotas. If connectivity is intermittent, implement a local queue using indexed DB and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.